Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum. If you have pets, this vacuum is a game changer. Not only does it have automatic cord rewind and a large dirt tank for easy storage, but it also comes with specialized tools for powerful pet hair pickup. But that's not all. When you buy a BISSELL product, you're also helping to save pets. BISSELL donates up to $10 to the BISSELL Pet Foundation for every pet product purchase. How amazing is that the triple action brush roll and scatter free technology makes sure that no pet hair, even the embedded kind, is left behind. With a 27 power cord that automatically rewinds, swivel steering, and edge-to-edge cleaning, this vacuum is a breeze to use. And let's not forget about the specialized pet tools, like the Pet Hair Corner tool and Pet Turbo Eraser tool. With a 1.0-liter dirt cup capacity and a replacement filter included, this vacuum is a must-have for pet owners. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum today and make a difference for pets in need. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and helpful tips. Thanks for watching.